Hello and welcome to the program. Today we're going to talk about current stocks and what kind of moves the market made since UBS purchased the Swiss bank to kind of ensure the global banking system so people don't panic. Today, here's the SPY. We had a green day today. Just as a recap, the overall markets, the Dow ended up 1.20%. The S&P 500 was 0.89%. S&P 500 was 0.39%. Crude oil sits at $67.75 a barrel. That's from WTI. And the dollar to Dixie, relative strength of the dollar, well, it's kind of been all over the place. It's 103.3 right now. But it's been coming down. It was at 105 last week, so it has been coming down. So here's the SPY. Let's see, we'll draw some trend lines. I guess it's kind of in target. I mean, we got that there, and resistance is going to be, I would say, down here. But that's the SPY. Kind of finished up today. But we'll see what happens on Wednesday when the Federal Reserve puts out a 25 basis point hike. Here's the QQQ representing the Nasdaq. It's looking strong. I mean, we got a little bit of a bottom tail here, so there's some strength here. This seems to be if it can hold support right here. And I would say support's right somewhere here possibly. The trend, well, it's looking bullish, but there's sort of a range right there. It could go as low as 297.50. So we'll see what happens there with that. See Tesla. How'd Tesla do today? Tesla finished up today. 1.73%. Looking pretty good, especially if it's still in that range though. If we back out, it's in that trading range, but it might be finding support right about here at 168. And the next support level will be up here at 208. I mean, right now it's resistance, but it's going to try and make it support. Microsoft had a down day, 2.58%. See, here was a trend line we had previously drawn. Amazon. It's still it's holding up, but it has been losing strength. Let's see what's going on here. So there's still that's actually wrong. I would say it's more like this. We have to get from here. Oops. Make a line from up here to touch that. So it broke out of that range. And now it's trading sideways. Looks like a new support is at $91. Resistance is going to be about 104. We'll see what that does. AMD down 1.05% today. You can see what happened is a gap down from yesterday. I guess pre-market trading and after-hour trading brought it down, but it's still holding a good support. No doubt about it. It's up there. Google, Alphabet. It's holding out at range right around 89. Nvidia, not bad, 259. There's that trend line we drew. So that's resistance. And it's tried to break through it and then push back down, but it's trying again. The bears and the bulls are battling that line right there. Let's see, AT&T, right in that trend line there. Probably going to get pushed down here. We'll see if it breaks out. See, U.S. Steel. Yeah, if it comes down to around 20 to 21, I like it there for a long position. But we'll see. That's that red line here, and then we have support, and we have lower support. BP oil. Yeah, that was in a range right here. It spiked up. I think they were doing a share buyback, who knows, but now it's back down and into the range. Silver. Silver made a nice, over the last week it came up from 1859 to 2069. It's a nice move, $2. So we'll see what happens with that. Meta. Medium day. It's reaching resistance. It's being held down. That will be the trend line, the resistant line right there. Other than that, let's see how Verizon's doing. Still in that downtrend arch here. Apple up 1.55%. There's that support level. Where it used to be resistance over here. Or I'm sorry, it used to be support here. And now it's resistance over here. So we'll have to see if it breaks out of that. We'll have to find out what happens. Bank of America. And it's dropping. The banks are taking a hit. Look at the volume here too. So there's a lot of volume here. It was a red day today. And let's see, JP Morgan. Red day today. Oh, let's see. No, I'm sorry. Here we go. Yeah. Small green day, but banks nevertheless coming down. Look at the volume. Big volume. A lot of selling pressure. Let's see anything with the small caps. Here's one of the leading gappers, 85% up. AMBI. NYCB. Look how that gapped up overnight on news. Jamie Dimon leading efforts to craft new First Republic Bank rescue plan. So we got JP Morgan involved. This must be related to the banks. DWAC. PACW. This was a big play today. A lot of people were in this stock. Look at the volume. NEO. Green day today. Not bad. Went up about 50 cents. NAT. National Atlantic Tanker. We had a positive day today. Must have been some news on that. Someone's taking on the debt. Debt overview. Well, that's it for small caps. It was a light day in small caps. And so that's our summary for today. What's going to happen on Wednesday? When the Fed hike comes in, we'll see. Are we going to break down here on the SPY and the QQQ? Or it's going to hold this positive momentum that it has? By the way, you can please help us out by clicking the like button and please subscribe. YouTube likes it. We like it too. It helps the channel. We appreciate your support. Until then, we'll keep you updated on future stock moves. And thank you for watching.